Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on color ID, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to call button long tap. So you click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's mean here call button long tap disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.